In a hurdles race, a player has to cross 10 hurdles, so N is 10. The probability that he will clear each hurdle is 5 by 6. What is the probability that he will knock down fewer than 2 hurdles? Let X denote the number of hurdles knocked down by the player. So Q is 5 by 6. P is 1 minus 5 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Not more than 2 hurdles, fewer than 2 hurdles. Fewer than 2 means या तो कोई भी नहीं या 1. So 10C0, P power 0, Q power R, N minus R, 10C1, PR, Q power N minus R. 10C0 has value 10, 5 by 6 power 10, 10C1 has value 10, 10C0 has value 1, 10C1, 10 factorial 1, 10 minus 1 9. So 10 into 5 by 6 power 9, 1 by 6. Take 5 by 6 power 9 common. So 5 by 6 plus 10 by 6, 15 by 6. 5 by 2. So 5 power 10, 2 into 6 power 9. Note it down. Now next question, question number 9. 5 dice are thrown simultaneously. 5 dice are thrown simultaneously. If the occurrence of an even number, if the occurrence of an even number in a single dice is considered a success, is considered a success. What is the probability of at most 3 success? 5 into 1 by 2 power 5. 5 से 5 has value 1. 1 by 2 power 5. So 1 minus 5 by 32 minus 1 by 32. 1 minus 6 by 32. 32 minus 6. 26 by 32. 13 by 16. Note it down. Now the next one is question number 10. An unbiased dice is thrown again and again. Until 3 sixes are obtained. Until 3 sixes are obtained. Find the probability of obtaining. Find the probability of obtaining third six in sixth throw of dice. In sixth throw of dice. एक unbiased die को again and again we are throwing until we get 3 sixes. So probability of drawing a 6 in single throw of dice. Single throw में dice में 6 ones आएगा. So 1 by 6. So Q is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now we want third throw पे हमारे पास 6 आए. It means getting 2 sixes in first 5 throws. Plus probability getting third six in sixth throw. Third throw में हमारे पास 6 आए और पहले 2 में जो पहले 2 6 हैं we get that in first 5 throws. So N is 5 here. 5C2 P power R Q power N minus R 5 minus 2 3. 6th throw third throw में हमारे पास 6 आए. 6C3 1 by 6 power 3 5 by 6 power 3. और here we have getting third 6 in 6th throw. So that is 1 by 6 of getting a 6. 5C2 has value 10. 1 by 6 square. 6 cube plus 1 by 6. 10 into 1 by 6 square. 10 into 5 cube. 6 power 5 plus 1 by 6. So we can write it as here we have multiplication sign